Hello, Paul Gerard from Price Accounting Services. You've probably joined us today because you're interested in perhaps becoming a client or the services we can offer you. Not only are we tax professionals, but we also have a financial planning arm that's aligned very closely within the practice. So whether you want tax, accounting, financial services such as self-managed super funds, management of financial goals and objectives, our firm can help you. My specific focus though is taxation. For our tax services, we're a very revolutionary firm. You might have heard about us through our involvement with Property Chat, or you might have been referred by a colleague or a friend or something. That's not uncommon for us. What we offer is very dedicated professionals who do all the work. We engage directly with the client. You're always welcome to contact us and call us because you're our client and we're here to help you. We have a lot of technology that supports us in doing that. We have the client portal. Client portal is an extremely secure way for you and I to interact so that your documents, your identity and your information remains secure and protected. But 24 hours a day, you can interact with our firm. You can send us your files, your information. We get messaged straight away. There's nothing you need to do to tell us that that information's there. We do the work. We can put your tax return back to the client portal and you can even click to sign it. Really revolutionary stuff. The idea makes it simple, makes it easier. The easier we make it, the more affordable we can make it for you. One of the things we can offer with the client portal, another feature, is the ability to accept our tax checklist. Now, if you're a new client, we can send you a new client information pack. The new client information pack will include the relevant checklist for an individual or a couple or an entity. By completing that, we're getting consistent information every time. The benefit of that is we can see anomalies. You can share with us information about a specific item. We've got other video guides on specific aspects of taxation contained within that checklist or on our YouTube channel. All that information's there, and even so, you might just want to get on the phone to us, give us a call, email, and ask your question. That's what our job is. Help you maximize your tax position and make it easy for you. So in the tax checklist, simple drop down. Yes, no, unsure. Tell us what you think. If it's yes, you might need to provide additional information. If it's no, skip to the next section. So we think it's a really clever and revolutionary way of helping you. And at all times, remember, you've got that access directly to us. Look, if you're interested in discussing further how we can help you, perhaps you want a more specific quote, perhaps you want to discuss some issues particular to yourselves, that's fine. We can't really just generally provide a full checklist and price list for every single instance. Our new client information pack has some general guidance on prices, but we're always willing to quote a price and stand by that price, subject to little things that might be unusual, capital gains tax, special advice, extended advice for 15 minutes or more on a specific matter, in which case we'll always tell you before we act. One of the features we have with our pricing, a lot of firms charge by the hour. We all charge by the hour. That's how accountants work. But what we try and do is take it back a step. And instead of quoting an hourly rate, because that doesn't tell you a lot about how long it's going to take, we'll tell you how much your return should cost. So for example, we might say it's $440 for 2 returns for 2 individuals with an investment property. And we'll stand by that provided you use our reasonable summaries and like our checklist. You might even have your own. We're happy to use that. But bear in mind, if we use your checklist and it's missing things such as your bank details for refunds, date of birth, tax file number, we're going to have to follow that up. So I will encourage you, use ours. We know it's all there. So we hope that's been helpful for you today. If you're interested, give us a call. More than happy to talk. One of the team can even send you a new client information pack and then we can chat further. Until then, I'm Paul Gerard, Price Accounting Services. Good to see you. See you again. Bye.